In this video, I will teach you how to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account. Connecting your Facebook page to Instagram will help you to run ads directly from your Meta Ads Manager to your Instagram account. It will also help you to cross-post between two messaging apps. You can post on Facebook and it will reflect, or you can share it on your Instagram account by connecting the two pages together. In case you're meeting me for the very first time, my name is Popka Innocent, and on this channel, I create videos on how to run profitable and effective Facebook and Instagram ads, as well as TikTok ads and other social media marketing. So if you're interested in social media marketing, digital marketing, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next social media marketing video. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Open your Facebook app, click on your profile here, go ahead and click on this drop down button. You will see your profile as well as all the pages you have or manage. Go ahead and select the particular page you want to link your Instagram account to. For the purpose of this video, I want to link my Instagram account to this particular page, 𝗟𝗏 𝗙𝗏𝗃. So I'll tap on this. It is switching, it will switch to the page. Click on the page profile picture. You will see settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. You'll be directed here. Scroll down again until you see linked account. Right here is linked account. Click on linked accounts. This is Instagram. You can see that the Instagram account is not linked. So click on Instagram to link your Instagram account to your Facebook page. I'll click on Instagram now. Ensure you know your Instagram login details because they will request for it before you can link it to your Instagram account. Down below here, you will see connect Instagram account button. Click on that button, connect Instagram account. To connect your Instagram account, you will need to connect to a professional Instagram account. What they mean by professional Instagram account is a business account or a creator account. We have personal Instagram accounts and we also have professional Instagram accounts. So if yours is on personal Instagram account, go ahead and switch it to a professional Instagram account, which is a business account or a creator account. If you don't know how to do it, comment below and I'll tell you how to switch it. Down below, you see this continue button here. Click on continue. Like I said earlier, you'll be requested to log in your Instagram account. So enter your username and your password. I will do that right now. I've entered my login details. So I will click on this login button. Instagram has sent me a security code, so I'll input the security code here and click on this confirm button below. It's directing to Instagram. Just wait a little. Now they will ask you to save info. Just click on this save info since it is your own phone. Okay, I'll click on save info now. You will see this login they will show your Instagram username. Like in this case, they say login as 𝗟𝗏 𝗙𝗏𝗃. Okay, so go ahead and click on this button and your Instagram account will be connected to your Facebook page successfully, as you can see right here. Then go ahead and click on this continue button down below. You will see this Instagram connected. You can see my Instagram account has been connected to my Facebook page. Okay, down below here you will see the OK button. Click on OK. If you want to be sharing your post from Facebook to Instagram, that is, whenever you make a post on your Facebook page, you can share it to Instagram. Then you can turn on this button that says always share your posts to Instagram. If you turn on this button, whenever you make a post on Facebook page, it is going to be shared to your Instagram account. Just as you can read here, post will be shared to 𝗟𝗏 𝗙𝗏𝗃 on Instagram. You can change sharing settings each time you create a post. Okay, I don't want to share posts right now. When I want to share a post, I will turn on that button. So down below you will see this confirm button. Click on confirm. If you have any question, just comment below and I'll reply to your questions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and drop a comment below.